going on, everybody? So we're gonna take these lures and we're just gonna take them right apart. Ow. Alright, so get above your clasp, cut that loop right off. We don't want anything flying away. Oh, starting to think doing this with a tablecloth underneath me isn't the best idea. I mean, I'm destroying this tablecloth. I mean, it's old and dirty anyway. Okay, so take all the stuff off, including the little feathers. Should be left out with just this. Now, if I didn't have a bigger treble hook kicking around, I would just take the bigger of the two treble hooks. You're basically just making a bigger spinner than what we've used before. So, let me adjust the camera just a little bit. There we go. All right, so I've taken apart one. Let's take apart the other one. And again, I'm taking the feathers. Should be left with just that. And I'll use those baby trebles on something else, you know. If this isn't doing what I want, then I'll have to put one back together. But anyway, so I've got my welding wire. I've sanded off all the copper. So I'm not even gonna use the loop. I'm gonna go just the wire. Once again, if you have a bigger piece of wire, you can leave that out. So you can do this with your hand, but I didn't do that this time. So I'm gonna try to get that nice and twisted. Remember guys, this is just for brook trout. Yeah, you probably catch a bigger trout on this too. So you wanna make sure you're nice and secure around there. Gonna get that right out of the way. This one I wanna keep short, because I'm going to reuse those feathers. But the way those are on there, they're not made to go on the treble hook. They're made to slide down the wire. So let's see how I did there. Let's get that a little bit better. So now I just looped it right around the hook. Okay. I'm gonna put both sets on there and see what it looks like. You know, and it may not work. I don't know, that it kind of looks cool. All right, I like that. So, with the bigger of the hooks, then I got both sets of feathers on there. This one was an 1/8 ounce, and this one's smaller. So I'm gonna use the smaller of the two. Drop that right back on there. I'm basically making the same lure that I took apart. I'm just making it bigger. But what I do want is to put the little header bead on. Now it looks like that. Okay, now I want to do the same thing that we did with the double-bladed pike spinner. But I got my blades, one's bigger than the other. So I'm thinking I want that one on first. The big one underneath. So I'm gonna go up through the bottom. I'm going to take this one. Oh. Put that bottom. Oh, come on. Kind of hard to do with great big old gummy fingers, but come on. Okay, I got it. So now I want to slide these back up to the top. This part would be better if you had a vise. But I'm doing this in the kitchen and not downstairs, where I probably should be doing it, but I think the lighting is better up here. All right, I think I got it. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I like that better than what it was, and now I can use it for bass, I can use it for lake trout, and you know what, I might even still be able to use this for brook trout. You just never know, guys. So, find out which way my loop's going. I'm gonna go opposite way. I've got plenty of wire to just twist around by hand. I like to get that front loop a little smaller. Get as close as you can. Can't really get that close with this type of wire cutters, but and done. And guys, this really, I mean, when you know what you're doing, and you're on a tear, this probably takes about 5 minutes to make. Check it out. Not too shabby, guys. Anyway, good luck. I hope you're enjoying the other videos. I've got to make Billy his double blade spinner. And then I've actually got a great idea for another pike lure. So stay tuned. There's going to be some more pike lures coming up. So guys, enjoy, make your own. Like I said, guys, $2 at Walmart. And, you know, I was able to make a pretty nice spinner. And I guarantee you that's not $1 anywhere. So good luck, guys. Make your own. Fishing season is upon us. I cannot wait. Wherever you are, have a good day. Be safe. Go fishing or make a lure or do something.